Hello people, welcome back to a new lesson on 10 slang words or terms. Slang means kulaklon. Kulaklon hai khangiko. Kone slang aina haina bo wahi se kulaklon hai bani tina kulaklon taragi artha sing tamsi aduga makoi usage sentence lai denako. Number 1. Kudos. Haibadi respect kai kumnaba. Kudos for speaking out against the evil people in our society. Koigi samasida fattaba misingi mayokta ngangthorakpagi kai kumnajari. Kudos for speaking out against the evil people in our society. Respect. Disrespect. Number 2 niko. Karemnaba, usittaba, taksi kasi laitaba, ikai kumnadaba. Avatar. Stop dissing the blind man. Mamitangba, miduda, usittaba to. Stop dissing the blind man. Nice one. Kuna nice one have a potse. Yam to inteng niko. Photo gumba mathagatpa. Natraga video gumba masum yeng kanda nice one kaina mina hydra. Even emoji gumba dasu nice one gi emoji laiko. Adu gumba dune nice one haiziko. Pukning huningai oiba. Impressive haize. Pukning huningai oiba. Yam pazaba haiptar. That was impressive. That was impressive. Madu yamna pazai madu pukning huningai oi sinebu. Yam pazana tawkre sinebu ko. That was impressive. A nice one. Nice one. Get it. Really upset or disappointed. Yamna nungaitaba pendaba fauzabdo. Isada ngamdaba pendaba fauzabdo. Adun got that haizko. I'm so gutted. I failed my final exam. Yam nungaite pende yamna. A final exam fail where I'm so gutted. I failed my final exam. Kip has a nap, short sleep. Yam tiena koi nung tindaga ngak tang tumdo ngak tang potawdo. Aduni ko nap has short sleep has. The kip hanes kang neba. Kip sina koi kulak lon hai tarene. Ngak tang tumba. Have a kip before you go for work. Have a kip before you go for work. Tabak satringai da ngahak tang tumthu ngahak tang pothaw yam tin na ko ngahak tang minute tarawa ju kunor ju ko dunia is pokis telling lies chintiba aran bahai bdo aduni pokis says you are telling pokis nang chintiba nganga atra haire sine you are telling pokis telling lies Sizina bahoroko. Pokis, you're telling lies. You're telling pokis has a low. Easy peasy. Very easy. Very easy. I'm live the childless or mong da sizina bako. I'm live like that. Very easy. Yam na live. That is easy peasy. Madu yam na lie. Sineba. Do. Party. Do at the party have niko. Party ki slang word never do has. I'll be going to Tomba's birthday due tomorrow. I'll be going to Tomba's birthday due tomorrow. Ay hayeng Tomba ki birthday party sat kani sinel. I'll be going to Tomba's birthday due tomorrow. To nick had to steal. Huran bagi magi tabak tawdo. To steal had infinitive ni dana. Huran bataw action do. Tomba got nicked. Tomba they ran be cray. Tomba got nicked. Minging. Disgusting. Gross. Tugatchaba. Motpa. Laidanako. Don't touch that. It is minging. Madu sokkanu. Tugatchei. Motli. Motli chaganu sokkanu. Minging. Disgusting. Gross. That's all for now. If you found this video useful, Make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Also comment and share to your dear friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. And of course, press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and learning with me.